Wala ako tutuloy, okay pa naman kami. Doon pala sa kabila yun. So mahirap. Mahirap magbigay ng number kasi baka hindi po sila tumuloy. What I can give you, sir, is yung dalawa from Dagupan City, from Sicho Relis, and from Mayumbo. Riles? Yun yung isa data, Relis eh. So, Riles pala to. Sicho Riles, and then sa Mayombo. And then merong isa, dito sa Tebang pa rin yata yun. Namatay naman yung OFW. So, yung katawan hindi pa nauuwi, nasa Kuwait pa rin hanggang ngayon. Hindi pa po kami makapagbigay ng definite time kung kailan siya marirepatriate dahil po sarado pa rin po ang airspace. Though napuntahan na po namin together with OWA and PESO po, napuntahan na po namin yung family and nakapagbigay na po kami ng ibang assistance. And then once dumating po yung human remains po ng OFW po na namayapa, magbibigay po kami ng burial assistance which is 100,000 po. So, the Department of Migrant Workers expresses its strong support for the proposed ordinance of the Sangguniang Panlungsod of Dagupan establishing a city program for the children of OFWs and their caregiver grandparents anchored with the city vision Pamilyang Matatag, Lungsod na Maunlad. This initiative is a meaningful and forward-looking response to the evolving needs of OFWs and their families. While our migrant workers continue to contribute significantly to the nation's economy, it is equally important to ensure that their families, especially their children, are provided with adequate care, guidance, and access to essential services within their communities. The DMW recognizes the critical role of local government units in delivering responsive and inclusive programs by strengthening collaboration among the Migrant Desk, PESO, DOLE, TESDA, and OWA. This ordinance reinforces a whole of government approach in promoting the welfare and protection of OFWs and their families. We commend the city government of Dagupan for its commitment to safeguarding the well-being of those left behind, and we affirm our support in advancing policies and programs that uphold the dignity, resilience, and holistic development of our modern-day heroes and their loved ones. And I would like to take this opportunity to express our heartfelt gratitude to Mayor Belen Fernandez, the SP headed by Vice Mayor Dean Brian Kua, the councilors, city councilors, and to the City of Dagupan for your consistent support to the DMW and our programs.